Hey everybody, this is Chuck Muldoon, otherwise known as Mr. Peace and Liberty. I just wanted to give you a quick review of the new re-release. It's a new version of IM Wealth Builders plugin called Covert Social Press. I don't want to sound hypey. As a matter of fact, this is my first promo in years. I used to get IM Wealth Builders plugins on a regular basis for my web WordPress sites, Covert Social Press, Covert Video Press, Covert Messenger, and Covert Geo Targeter. All great plugins, and they're very newbie friendly. There's great tutorial videos on all of their materials. So here is a sample website. It's more than just social press. It builds your content for you. It collects your leads, and if you order this, it's actually only like 19 bucks. So it's a pretty darn good deal, especially for what it does. If you order through the link below, you can get my bonuses here, which will tie in directly with building your WordPress site. If you're a newbie, this is a great bonus here. Epic bonus number 1: how to build a WordPress site from scratch. Again, another newbie one as a blogging and traffic primer. Also, epic bonus number 3 is an intro to affiliate marketing. So if you're a newbie, it'll help you take advantage of all the ad blocks that are available in Covert Social Press. And this WP Commission Cloaker will help you cloak your affiliate links too. It'll help protect you from getting your commissions stolen. And last but not least, epic bonus number 5 is you'll be helping yours truly, Chuck Muldoon, a veteran-owned business. That's me right here, 91. I just got back was just getting back from the Persian Gulf in 91 on a destroyer called the USS McDonough. Anyway, enough about me. I want to make sure you get the best bonuses for what you're getting. It's less than $19 for the launch. So thanks for watching my Covert Social Press review. Have a great day.